Here in my hand is a Lewitt MTP 250 DMS. Quite a long name though. Whatever, I use this, and like this. And also I'll be talking into it so you can check the sound quality of it throughout the whole video. Honestly, this one is a good quality product, but there are also some flaws. So let's dive right into it. There are 9 categories I'll be looking today. I'll also let you be the judge, so don't hesitate to express your opinions in the comments down below. So, when I'm unboxing it, I feel like this is quite a complete box. It's got a microphone clip, a windscreen, and a bag. Other rivals like Shure SM58 or Sennheiser E835 do not include a windscreen, so this is a plus. When it comes to the microphone itself, it is a full metal body microphone, which make it quite durable, and has a good looking shape with a switch button. So you can turn it off when you're making some awkward sounds.
Blah blah blah.
And it weighs only about 350 grams, so your hand won't get paralyzed when you're holding it for a long time, like on the stage. But the ring here is round, so it can roll off the table, just for your information. But what about the most important thing you look for in a microphone? The audio. Well, this is a dynamic microphone. Let me explain it if you don't know. There are generally 2 main types of microphones, condenser and dynamic. Condenser microphones like this need a 48-volt phantom power and captures more accurate audio, like slightest movements of the lips or a scratch. So it is mainly used in studio recordings. On the other hand, dynamic microphones like this one does not require phantom power, so it can be connected to any kind of amp or audio interface without needing to check anything, and it can handle the sound pressures better, so it really shines in live performances. Let's check out the video I streamed live for a couple of seconds. In this video, the microphone is connected to the Cube Street 2 amplifier, the line out of which goes into the Yamaha AG03 audio interface or mixer, and then into my smartphone. But why not check it out now too? At the moment, this microphone is connected to the Yamaha AG03 audio interface without any processing. So you've been hearing how it sounds like when we speak. I'll do singing now. Wise men say only fools rush in. Okay, that's enough. As you can hear, the audio quality is quite solid, but there are other things to check too, like handling noise rejection. So let me check it now. Let me take it from here. Okay, hello. Do you hear the noise? I mean, it is not the best, but I must say it is not very bad. What about plosive sounds? I will check it with and without the windscreen. Firstly, without the windscreen, Peter eat the pizza with a pack of pickled peppers. Now, Peter eat the pizza with a pack of pickled peppers. Okay. With the windscreen on, Peter eat the pizza with a pack of pickled peppers. I think it does its job, but please let me know what you think in the comments below. Speaking of plosive sounds, the proximity effect is also important, so I'll check how this one will absorb my voice. I can't tell you what it really is, I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now there's still a knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight when I can't fight. As long as the ground feels right as I come and fly, hydrophone let drop from my head. Alright, that's too much, let's stop it. Polar pattern. This mic is a cardioid pattern one, which means that it will capture the sound mainly coming from the front. So let's check it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Since this is a handheld microphone, you might accidentally drop it sometimes. Well, I have also dropped it a few times. Sorry baby. But it is still rocking. Let me tell you one thing, the dynamic microphones are generally more durable than the condenser microphones. And from what I've experienced so far, I can see this is quite sturdy. The last but not the least is the price. It is more expensive to buy a microphone with a switch button. Like this one has two variations, the MTP250DMS and the MTP250DM without S. S means switch. The DM version is cheaper, obviously. But the price of this switch version is still cheaper than the non-switch version of Shure SM58. Well, I'm not saying like you shouldn't buy SM58 or anything like that. I'm just pointing out that this one is a good deal. At the time of this recording, the Shure SM58 without switch is £104, while the Lewitt MTP250 DMS with switch, this one, is only £79. So this one is really unmatched at the price point. Well, I'm not saying like this is the best dynamic microphone out there. I'm just saying like you will get more than what you pay for. Do you wanna buy it now? Please go through the Amazon link in the description below. Why not? Let's start singing today. Let's make a noise now. See you in the next video.